Hola Mzansi. Welcome to the Soccer YouTube channel that will only bring you the latest soccer news the way you want them to be. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video. So Bafethu the Mamelodi Sundowns fans attacked Thembinkosi Lorch on social media after he posted Rulani Mokwena wishing him a happy birthday. So in the post, Lorch posted former coach Rulani Mokwena wearing an Orlando Pirates jersey. So Bafethu, we both know that Lorch and Mokwena both had a very strong relationship when they were still in Orlando Pirates. And Lodge was accused by the Mamelodi Sundowns supporters after posting Rulani in the picture during their time in the Orlando Pirates, saying that he is disrespecting the club by posting such posts wearing the Orlando Pirates jersey. So Bafethu, the local football fans defended Thembinkosi Lorch on social media, saying that the former PSL player of the season has every right to use any picture he wants. The winger Thembinkosi Lorch has come under attack from the Mamelodi Sundowns fans after he used an Orlando Pirates-inspired picture to wish the former coach Rulani Mokwena a happy birthday. The former Pirates winger and Mokwena spent time in Orlando Pirates before both moved to Masandawana, while Lodge still plays for Sundowns and Mokwena has joined Wydad AC. Since joining Masandawana in January 2024, Lodge has struggled to establish himself at the club, while former coach Mokwena defended his off-field antics. So Bafethu, what do you have to say about this? Please place your views in the comment section. I will see you on the next video.